In this Steegle video, I'll show you how to format and style text in Google Sites. To style your text, highlight it and open the Style drop-down menu to choose between title, heading, subheading, or normal text. Next, adjust the alignment using the Align icon on the floating toolbar, where you can set your text to left, right, centered, or justified. To add links, highlight a phrase, click the Insert Link icon, select an internal site page or paste an external web address, URL, and click Apply. You can also use toolbar options like bold or italic for emphasis, organize key points with numbered or bulleted lists, apply a code font, monospaced, or use strike-through. If you need to revert changes, click the Clear Formatting tool under the More menu. That's it. You've learned how to format and style text in Google Sites. This tutorial was provided by Steegle.